Hey there, welcome back. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. William James. Action plan. What stressful thoughts will you decide to let go today? Acknowledge its presence, then let it go. Feel the relief of burden on your mind and shoulders. All right, which item has our quotes today? This one's calling my name. Energy givers, sunlight, movement, sleep, laughter, gratitude, nature, self-care, meditation, intaking water or being around water, nourishing foods, creativity, connection, boundaries, just to name a few. Intuition is your soul whispering the truth to your heart and hoping that you hear it. Kate Spencer. Don't ask yourself what the world needs. Ask yourself what makes you come alive and go do that. Because what the world needs is people who have come alive. Negativity may knock on your door, but that doesn't mean you have to let it in. If you are born on the 6th, 15th, or the 24th of a month, you are unstoppable force. Whatever you focus on will quickly manifest. Your best days are ahead of you. The right people for your soul hear you differently, show up differently, and support you differently, and definitely nourish you differently. That's how you'll know. And the last one today, just do right by people. Don't worry about if that energy is returned. That's not on you. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.